Well, do you know that there's a wrong way of winding up your cables?
In the right way?
Welcome to another episode of Learn's Media and Tech Show, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Oh, but before that, I am different, Colin.
I'm Amirah, the videographer.
And yes, Amirah, today we are doing an episode that is slightly different because, you know why? A lot of our clients during our shoots, right? They always point out something about you. What is that?
They say they like to wind the cables and keep everything in the bag neat.
Yeah, that's right. I think Amirah is really meticulous when it comes to making things neat and tidy. Maybe even borderline OCD. Yeah, but that's a good virtue. So today, in this episode, right, we're going to teach you something that people often mislook, which is essentially the art of winding cables. So Amirah, there is a right way of doing so. It's something like that, right?
No, there's a particular technique that you have to do though.
Okay, maybe let's show the audience how should be the right way to do so. But before that, let's show them the wrong way first.
Okay, cool.
You know, if there's a cable like that, right? I think the first thing I'll do is really, for those cable with a little bit of like the factory fold, I will just
Fold it the same way.
mash up something like that. You know, we got time to do this. And yeah, this is how I do it. Okay, and typically what most people do is that they do this and they dump inside the bag.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, I know you cannot take it.
Yep.
I cannot take it either. So I think the next thing that I do is to get a cable tie and then wind them together like that. So this is the wrong way.
Yeah, that's the wrong way.
Okay. How about the other way where I sometimes do that as well. Okay, which is to just go round and round your hand like that.
That's still the wrong way.
Does it pain you to
Yes.
see this when I do this?
Yes,
Okay.
very much.
But this is very quick, isn't it? You know, this is the quick way of.
Yeah, the quickest way to kill your wires also.
Okay, so this is not the right way.
No.
Now, can you show us what is the right way then?
Okay.
Okay, so essentially, I think what Amirah is doing is that she needs to use both hands.
Yeah,
Okay?
first is to go over and then you fold it in and then you go and grab it. So you
okay.
keep doing the same,
Okay,
so over again and then you just grab it
I see.
all the time until the end.
So when you're doing this, right, Amirah,
Yep.
what is the science behind doing something like that? Has it got to do with something with the flexing of the cable?
Somewhat, I think yes. But it kind of keeps it doesn't twist the wires that's inside.
I see. Okay,
Yep.
so essentially you're talking about the twisting of the cables. But if you did it my way, chances are you might be twisting the cables like that. And
You will damage
over
the
the long term, one or twice I think the cable is made to withstand. But over the long term, it doesn't feel so good for the cable.
Yeah, correct.
Got it. Okay. So really, I mean, in addition to winding up thick cables like this, can your technique be used on normal USB cables?
Yes, can.
Okay. Why don't you show us how it should be done instead?
Okay. Try.
And then finally, even the Velcro part, there is the correct way to do so. Okay, which is essentially to just tie it on one side so that there will be a loop.
So Colin, you know how to wind the cables properly, right? So what do you think you should do?
I will ask you to do it next time.
No way.
Oh well, anyway, on this bombshell, this is the end of our episode. Well, I'm Different Colin.
I'm Amirah.
See you in the next episode. And until then, why be different when you can be different? Bye-bye.
Bye.